Assalamualaikum playgroup. How are you all? Very good. Do you know what we will do today? Yes, we will do an activity to recognize the numbers value. What we will do? Yes, we will do an activity to recognize the numbers value. Numbers की वैल्यू जानने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे. What the name of this activity? Finger gesture. What the name of this activity? Hand gesture. We will use our both hand to show the numbers value. First of all, we will sequence the numbers according to their value. Are you ready to do this activity? Very good. If you have not these worksheets at your home और A4 शीट्स, अगर आपके पास घर में मटेरियल नहीं है मौजूद, आप जस्ट एक वाटर के अंदर उनकी हैंड डंप करके आप उसके ऊपर लगवा सकते हैं, वॉल के ऊपर. दैट वाज इनफ. द बेसिक थिंग इज़ टू गेट द नॉलेज, टू गेट द नोशन ऑफ द थिंग्स. एज you are showing to your child number, he will dip his hand and he will show the gesture like this, like the number. As number 4 considered like this, he will dip his hand in water. वो वाटर के अंदर अपना हैंड इस तरह डिप करे, इसी तरह ही रखे, ठीक है. और इसी तरह ही अगर वो किसी क्लॉथ के ऊपर लगा दे, वॉल के ऊपर लगा दे, खाली पेज के ऊपर लगा दे, दैट विल इनफ, दैट वुड बी इनफ. एंड कलर, the usage of color make the strong memory. That is fascinating to children. That is why we are using the colors and many other things. And for your facility, I just tell you कि you could use these methodology. Okay. Now we are going to start to sequence the number. अब हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं? हम नंबर को sequence करेंगे. Are you ready to do? Yes. You will tell me name of number. Okay. Then we will sequence the numbers and hand gesture according to number. Very good. Let's start our game. I have flashcards of numbers. First of all, I will search the number flashcard. Yes, which number is this? Very good, number 1. Which number is this? Number 1. Now I will search the hand gesture according to number 1. These are 3 fingers, these are 2 fingers, 4 fingers. There. Is this according to number 1? Look over here. I have told you, you will show 1 finger to your mother and 4 finger you will fold inside your hand. 4 finger fold किए हैं हाथ की अंदर वाली साइड की तरफ, और 1 फिंगर क्या है आपने दिखानी है, ठीक है. One consider like this. Now tell me which number will come after number 1? Yes, which number will come after number 1? Is this number 1? Is this number which is come after number 1? Very good. This is number 6. And what the name of this number? Yes, number 7. And what the name of this number? Excellent. And what the name of this number? Yes, number 4. And what the name of this number? Very good. And is this come after number 1? क्या ये number 1 के बाद आता है? जबरदस्त. No. And which number is this? Very good. Number 2. Is this come after number 1? Yes. Superb. और अब हम इसको क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पर रख देंगे. And now tell me which gesture will become with this number? Is this? No. Very good. Now tell me, is this? Hand gesture will be?
Superb. This is note. And is this? Yes. And how to show your two finger to your mother? You will show two finger like this and three finger inside your hand. And two, consider two objects. One, consider one object. Now tell me which number will come after number 2. Yes. Which number will come after number 2? Yes, number 3. And there is number 3. We have found in a seconds. हमने कितनी जल्दी इसको सर्च किया है. Did we miss number 3? हम नंबर 3 को मिस कर रहे थे. कौन कौन मिस कर रहा था? आप मुझे बताएं, क्या ये हैंड जेस्चर नंबर 3 के साथ जाएगा? नो. और फिर ये जाएगा? Not at all. Is this? Very good. Zabardast. How to show your hand to your mother? You will show 3 fingers to your mother and you will fold 2 fingers inside your hand like this. Okay. Now tell me which number will come after number 3. Which number will come after number 3? Yes, number is this? Is this? What the name of this number? Then tell me what the name of this number. Very good. Number 4. What the name of this number? Number 4. What the name of this number? And which gesture will come with this number? Let's search out. Is this? No. Is this? क्या ये नंबर 4 के अकॉर्डिंग शो कर रहा है जेस्चर? Well done. How to show your 4 fingers to your mother? You will show 4 finger and thumb inside your hand like this. Okay? Like this. 4 fingers. What we will do? We will move toward a new number. Now tell me which number will come after number 4. Yes, number 5. Which number will come after number 4? Very good. Number 5. And what the value of number 5? Yes, 5. Consider 5 fingers. Now tell me where are 5 fingers hand? Is this? Yes, very good. You will show like this. You will show 5 fingers towards your mother like this. And we will put over here. 5 consider. Very good. 5 objects. And which number will come after number 5? Well done. Number 6. Which number will come after number 5? Yes, number 6. And how many fingers over there? Let's count these fingers which are showing to you. There are 4 fingers inside the hand and 1 finger show to you. 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers are there? 6 fingers. 6 considers. 6 objects. And which number will come after number 6? Is this? Very good. This is the number 8. Then tell me which number will come after number 6? Yes, number 7. And 7 consider. 7 consider. Yes, 7 objects. And let's count these fingers. Are you ready to count these fingers? There are both hands which are showing to you. दोनों हाथ यहाँ पे शो किए हुए ना इस तरह, like this. ये देखिए, both hands. One hand, 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers showing to you? 1. 5 fingers from one hand and 2 fingers from the other hand. 1, 2, and 3 fingers have folded inside the hand. 7. Look over here. These are 7 fingers. How many fingers over here? Very good. Let's count these fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers I am showing to you? Well done. There are 7 fingers. How many fingers over here? Very good. Now tell me which number will come after number 7? Excellent. Which number will come after number 7? Number 8. Which number will come? Number. Well done. Which number is this? Number 8. And what the value of number 8? Very good. 8 consider 8 object. What the value of number 8? 8 consider 8 objects. Now tell me how many fingers over here which are showing to you. Let's count these fingers. Are you ready to count these fingers? Very good. Okay. अपने दोनों हाथ ऊपर करें. आपने फिंगर्स जैसे जैसे मैं काउंट करूँगी आपने काउंट करनी है अपने हाथों. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers over here? Very good. There are 8 fingers. How many fingers? 8 fingers. 8 fingers. How many fingers? 8 consider 8 objects. What it is show? It has shown. Okay, I am showing to you all the hand gesture. Yes, could you see? Well done. अभी हम इसको रिवाइज करते हैं. Are you ready to revise this? Are you ready? Very good. 1 consider 1 object and you will show. Very good. 1 finger. 2 consider 2 objects and you will show 2 fingers. 3 consider 3 objects and there are how many fingers I am showing to you? 3 fingers. What the name of this number? Yes, number 4. And what the value of number 4? 4 consider 4 object. And how many fingers I am showing to you? 4 fingers. What the name of this number? And how many fingers I am showing to you? Very good. What the name of this number? And how many fingers I am showing to you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 6 fingers. What the name of this number? Very good. Number 7. And what the value of number 7? Superb. 7th consider 7 objects. Let's count this finger which I am showing to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And which number is this? Very good. Number 8. And how many fingers over there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you have learned about the numbers. We will meet again with the new lesson. Allah Hafiz.